Welcome to Oldsmob 455. We're going to show you Dan's 57 Chevy today. I'm excited to bring you this video. This is probably one of the most spectacular cars I think I've done. So I think he spent quite a bit of time blocking her out.
It's very straight.
Yeah, she looks real straight. So I think it's just as fast as it is pretty. Can we take a look at the mill in this thing?
Sure. I didn't come with this option from the factory.
So what is it?
That is a 496 10.8 to 1 Brodix heads, solid roller camshaft, eagle bottom end, J&E pistons. Makes 650 at the flywheel.
What do you spin this thing up to?
I shifted at 7,000, sometimes 7,200. I have the chip set at 76, but I really want to take it that high. It has some really good internal parts. So it had manual brakes originally. I put power brakes, power steering in it, all tubular A-arms and sway bar, so it drives real nice. 6-speed transmission, T56 Super Mag transmission.
Stays cool enough with that radiator?
Yep, it runs fine. 160 degrees.
All day long, 4th of July, eh?
Yep.
Let's take a look underneath this thing, if I can even get under there. Electric fuel pump in the back there, eh?
Yep.
I can't see nothing under here.
You probably look in the back, maybe.
Yep.
I got a set of Cal tracks on it. Try to get it to hook up a little bit.
So there's a 9-inch back there, eh?
Yep. 355 gear in the back.
What kind of carrier is that inside there?
It's got a it's called Sure Grip Posi. Seems to work good. It doesn't help it hook up though, it just spins the tire. Any of the first 3 gears for sure.
Oh, the whole underside's painted here.
Yeah. It's just as shiny on the bottom.
Take a look at the inside here. He's got like some soundproofing going on. We got a stereo set up in here already.
That works, not like you can hear it.
I think the seat is temporary. You can leave a bench in it?
I'm actually gonna, yeah, I paid $850 for this crappy bench seat just so I could keep it original looking. Auto closing good?
Yeah. I think he's gonna let her warm up for a bit and take me for a ride.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Special gauges just for this thing, right?
Yep. I wanted to be analog so they looked like original ones, but at 650 horsepower and idles at 1,000 RPM like nothing. tested her a little bit, running 170 degrees, 45 pounds of oil pressure at idle.
What kind of mufflers are on this?
It's a Pipes brand, and they're called Violators. 3-inch, so
What size exhaust is this all the way?
3-inch stainless all the way.
Is it like an oval or is it round?
It's actually round. It just got the oval tailpipes on it.
Gotcha. Pretty sweet. Thanks for sharing with us, Dan.
No problem.